Conditional formatting is a great tool for highlighting data, making it stand out. We can find it here in the Home tab. There are various features and options available. Let's imagine that this salary is to stand out in a different way. So go to Conditional Formatting and try the first one. Highlight sales roles here. Here we have many choices. Let's try the first one, greater than. So Excel automatically suggests, but we can set our input here. We can change the color highlight also. Go to custom here and select whatever color you want. Let's select this yellow one and click OK. Let's clear this rule to try other. Can go to here the conditional formatting and clear roles from the selected cells. Now we can try the color scale. It highlights from small to large or vice versa. This is also good. Let's clear the rule for one more time to try other conditional formatting. Maybe we can try the icon set here. Let's clear and go to icon sets. We have many icons to select from. Let's try this one, and here it is. If we need to modify any of the rules, you can go to the conditional formatting and manage roles. Here there is edit roles, so we can modify any parameter here and click OK. The same manner, you can explore the other conditional formatting techniques. There are a lot, and you can try any.